from Port Barton with the bus to El Nido, a trip of 4 hours in an old bumpy bus.
We found the most amazing place. Look at this. Our sleeping place is inside here. We have a small lounge. It's super beautiful. Look at that roof. And then here is the bed and shower. The Bay of El Nido.
Later that day we visited Vanilla Beach.
Quite a walk from our sleeping place, half hour for the most near restaurant, but it's worth it. The place is nice. For the moment we are good. The road is like this. There's no walking path, but it's a safe road. It's not busy. We are on the way to a very nice restaurant, I think. You will see it.
Next day we rented a kayak to discover El Nido by ourselves.
This, my friends, is where we going to kayak to. Wow, it looks amazing. Looks like a private accommodation in there, but we don't see private property boards like the other island where we have been, and actually it was maybe not allowed. We've seen afterwards.
Found out that all small islands that we crossed were private islands, where it was not allowed to enter.
Let's see if this one is private. For the moment, I don't see a house or a board. Just one fissure in front of this gigantic, beautiful rocks. My paddle. Wow, this is so nice. Behind this, we think, is one cave, the Cathedral cave. You will see later in the video.
kilometer with kayak, we came across a local fisher family. The man invited us on his small traditional boat and brought us to the cathedral cave. It was a real authentic experience, which not a lot of other tourists will have here in El Nido, which made us feel very lucky. He not only brought us to the cave, but also let us use his snorkeling glasses to see some corals. After that, the whole family brought us and the kayak back to the kayak rental.
So, there is our kayak on top of the boat. So super friendly, the people here.
Such a wonderful, beautiful family. We will always keep this special memory with us. The last day we went on a touristic boat excursion together with many other tourists.
So our first stop is Papaya Beach. And there are corals where we're going to snorkeling. So, this place is full of corals, but actually they make us walk over the corals with water shoes and they say it's rocks, which is fucking sad. But I am going to swim. I stand now on one part of sand and I'm not going to walk on corals. But it's sad that the others will. They're walking over the coral reef. I made the tour guide attend about it. I say it's not good. He say yes, it's not good. I say, so why are we doing this? He not answer. And I say now they are going to die. And he say yes. So all for the fucking money. All for the fucking money. I'm standing here on the sand part. And I swim all the parts possible. The last part is no coral, so that's okay. We did not touch the coral because I hate that idea. So we are in Secret Lagoon and this is the waiting line to have a look at the lagoon. Also our guide is pushing us for things. He decides to not do it. Yes, let's do it different. That's from Fairy Tale. Here, pay 300 pesos extra if you want to see the lagoon. That's on the list of the trip. So it's included the trip, but you cannot enter the lagoon without kayak, and for a kayak you need to pay 300 extra plus your normal tour already. So in the end we pay 2,000 instead of 1,500 because also they obligated us to wear shoes that you need to pay for.
In the end, we went into the lagoon, but in all this situation I forget the camera, so here is a small impression of the lagoon from the internet. Thank you for following our adventures in Asia.